To speak English, you need to know a lot of English words and their proper use. Then you can speak English fluently. Today I will share some words and their usage that will be useful to you every day. These will help you to speak English faster. So try to remember these words. These are very simple, but they will help you a lot to learn English. Near. The hospital is near here. Is it near your house? Never. I never liked biology. I will never do it again. Of. I am proud of my son. All of them went there. Off. I turned the TV off. I turned the TV off. Can I take off early? On. Turn on the light. Who is on the phone? Who is on the phone? Once. I feed my dog once a day. Let me say this just once. Over. What is over there? He must be over 50. Put. May I put it here? Don't put it on my desk. Said. Do you know what he said? What he said is not true. Such. You were such a liar. It was such a nice day. Tell. Tell me a true story. Could you tell me the way? There. All of them went there. Did you see anybody there? They. Do you know who they are? They stopped talking. Those. Those apples are big. What did you do with those books? Till. Please wait till noon. I am going to wait till 2:30. I am going to wait till 2:30. 2. Don't eat too much. This book is too expensive. Upon. You can rely upon him. Never rely too much upon others. Never rely too much upon others. Want. Do you want my mobile? I want something new. Well. I slept very well last night. He doesn't sing well. He doesn't sing well. What? I know what you mean. What are you cooking? When? Do it when you have time. When are you coming back? When are you coming back? Who? Who left the door open? Who won the match? Why? Why did you open the box? Why are you so tired today? With. Will you go with us? I don't agree with him. Your. Does your dog bite? Keep your eyes open. About. I am about to leave. What's that book about? After. Let's go for a walk after dinner. Some people believe in life after death. Also. I also like cake. She is a photographer and also writes books. Ask. She asked me a question. Can I ask you a question? Away. Stay away from him. Just go away and leave me alone. Before. He said he had never seen her before. She is always wake up before dawn. But she is not a painter but a writer. I bought a pen, but I lost it. By. He came by car. He came by bus. I will come by 10. May I pay by check? Daily. This is a daily newspaper. Tell me about your daily life. Each. Each one is different. Do you know each other? Early. Why did you come early? I promise you I will come early. Few. They have few books. I have a few books. For. Thank you for coming. That's enough for today. From. I come from Australia. She fell from the tree. Here. Come here quickly. Did you live here? May I put it here? How? How about tomorrow? How about a cup of tea? How is your mother? In. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? He arrived in time. Into. He fell into the river. He went into the house. Kind. Be kind to old people. Be kind to old people. He is very kind to me. Made. He made a mistake. She made me a cake. Must. You must do your best. I must help her at any cost. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.